Introducing Orbit Mini Vacuum Cleaner Tiffany. It comes with 10 versatile attachments and a detailed manual for easy instructions. Let's see how it works. Simply connect the pipe to the main unit and you're ready to connect any attachments you need. This belt helps you carry the vacuum cleaner effortlessly. A powerful suction pump to clean all the dirt in no time. Cleaning it is super easy, so no worries there. Each attachment is a lifesaver. Conveniently clean your carpets and walls using this brush attachment. It easily removes even the minutest dirt. Now let's see what the magic blower section brings. Carefully connect the pipe to the blower section and connect the attachment you need. See the impressive blowing strength? Get yours today and make every cleaning task effortless.